In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in Notion, a simple tutorial for beginners. Whether you're just getting started with Notion or looking to streamline your workflow, duplicating templates is a handy skill that can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's jump right in and get you acquainted with this straightforward process. To begin, you'll first want to open the template page that you wish to duplicate. This is your starting point. You may have been browsing through some templates in the Notion gallery, or you might be working with a template that you've created or imported into your own workspace. Either way, make sure that the page with the template is open so you can access all the necessary options. Keep in mind that if you have loads of pages, you might need to use Notion's search feature to quickly locate the right template. Once you've got it open, you're all set for the next step. Next, you'll need to find the three-dot menu, also known as the Option or Otsaco menu, located in the top right corner of the Notion page. This small yet powerful button gives you access to a host of actions you can carry out on the page. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu filled with choices, like sharing the page, managing its settings, and importantly, duplicating it. Make sure to click this button and the menu will unfold, showing you the duplication option among others. Now with the menu opened, look for and select the option labeled Duplicate. This action is essentially telling Notion that you want to create a copy of the current template. By duplicating, you're ensuring that you maintain the original structure and information intact, giving you a fresh version to customize or repurpose as needed without permanently altering the original. It's an excellent feature for trying new things without that lingering worry of ruining hours of effort. After selecting Duplicate, give it a moment. The copied template will appear in your workspace, typically at the end of your list of pages or in the same folder where the original is stored. You'll recognize it immediately by the same title, with a copy tag in parentheses, ensuring you can differentiate between your original template and the newly duplicated one. Now that your template is copied, you can begin personalizing it however you see fit to match your current project needs without affecting the original template. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different layouts, data entries, and customization features without any hesitation. And there you have it, a simple way to duplicate a template in Notion. Remember, this is a fantastic trick to have up your sleeve, especially as you work towards creating an efficient and organized workspace tailored just for you. Now, go ahead and try it out with your favorite templates and see how you can make the most out of Notion's flexibility and robust capabilities. Happy Notioning!